After a long, hard day's work, imagine coming home to a fully renovated sanctuary where you can take off your coat. So roll up your sleeves and step into your brand new, fully renovated kitchen where no expense was spared. Subway tile, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and new cabinetry throughout. Welcome home. Work's done, dinner's done, time to change into something more comfortable in one of your 2 primary suites. With a fully renovated bedroom and bathroom downstairs, whether entertaining guests or relaxing by yourself, this basement can do it all. With modern updates, a primo location, and brand new outdoor living space to boot, what more could you ask for in a home? Give me a call today, Philip Simon at the Knolls Group.